In this tutorial, we are going to take a look at articles in French. When we think of articles, we think of, for example, in English, a boy, a girl, a cat, a dog. Or we think of the boy, the girl, the cat, the dog. A is an indefinite article, and the is a definite article. So here's how you say a in French. These are the indefinite articles, and here is how you say the in French. Definite articles. Now you wonder why there are so many words. In the last tutorial we went over nouns and how all nouns in French are either masculine or feminine. So for example, if you are using a masculine noun, you'd have to use a masculine article. Or if you have a feminine noun, you would have to have a feminine article. And likewise, if the noun is plural, you'd have to use the plural form of the article. So let's take a look at some examples. Here we have pull. Pull is a sweater and it's masculine, so you would say un pull for a sweater. Or you have le pull for the sweater, both masculine. The next example, you have chemise, shirt, which is feminine. If you want to say a shirt, you have to say une chemise, or the shirt is la chemise. And then here you have the plural, chaussures, which is shoes, and that's plural, or les chaussures, plural. And if you have, for example, the definite article L apostrophe, if you have a noun with a vowel sound, you use L apostrophe.